Hi, my name is Sam, and in this video I will be covering Semrush review. Unleash the power of digital marketing. With Semrush, you'll have access to a treasure trove of data-driven insights, allowing you to uncover the most trending topics in your industry. You can discover what your competitors are doing right, identify the keywords that will skyrocket your content's visibility, and create compelling articles, blog posts, and social media content that will captivate your audience. And with Semrush's social media management features, you can schedule and publish your content across multiple platforms, all from one convenient dashboard. Unleash your content superpowers with Semrush and revolutionize your marketing strategy today. We'll examine how this all-inclusive digital marketing tool may help you maximize your online presence and perform better than your rivals. Let's get started with Semrush, a potent set of tools that enables digital marketers to make data-driven choices. Hello everyone, today we're delving into Semrush. Semrush provides you with a competitive edge by offering insightful information on the tactics of your rivals. With this information, you can improve your own strategy and stay one step ahead of the competition. You can uncover your competitors' top-ranking keywords, backlinks, and even ad strategies. Any effective digital marketing strategy must have the appropriate keywords, and Semrush specializes in assisting you in finding them. With the aid of Semrush's extensive keyword research tools, you can find relevant keywords with large search volumes, assess keyword difficulty, and discover related keywords, which will enable you to improve your content and draw in more organic visitors. Semrush offers a variety of tools to assist you in enhancing the on-page and technical SEO of your website. Semrush offers powerful social media management solutions to help you increase your social presence in addition to search engine optimization. Semrush streamlines your social media activities, making it simpler to interact with your audience and promote meaningful engagement. You can schedule posts, analyze engagement metrics, monitor brand mentions, and even track your competitors' social media strategies. From competition research to keyword optimization, on-page SEO, and social media management, Semrush is a complete digital marketing tool that gives you the knowledge and tools to improve your online presence. So why wait? Unleash the power of digital marketing with Semrush today. We appreciate you watching our Semrush review, and if you found it useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.